Call of the Wild, hiking in America. America, land of vast wilderness. From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the deep canyons of the Grand Canyon, this land is a hiker's paradise. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks standing as sentinels of time. These majestic giants challenge even the most seasoned hikers. Deep canyons carve through the earth, their winding rivers telling tales of ancient geological history. Each step into these canyons is a step back in time. Crystal-clear lakes reflect the heavens, offering moments of serene beauty. These tranquil waters are perfect spots for reflection and peace. Millions answer the call of adventure. Hiking is their passion. They come from all walks of life, united by a love for the great outdoors. Trails wind through diverse landscapes, from dense forests to open meadows, each offering its own unique challenges and rewards. Deserts bake under the scorching sun, their vast expanses testing the endurance of those who dare to traverse them. Yet, they hold a stark beauty that is unmatched. Lush forests offer cool respite, their canopies providing shelter from the sun. These green havens are alive with the sounds of nature. Each step brings a new discovery. Hidden waterfalls, rare wildlife, and breathtaking vistas await those who venture off the beaten path. Hiking challenges the body and soothes the soul. The physical exertion is balanced by the mental clarity and peace that nature provides. It's about connecting with nature, breathing fresh air, feeling the wind on your face and the earth beneath your feet, experiencing the raw beauty of the wilderness. These untouched landscapes remind us of the world as it once was, pure and unspoiled. Hiking teaches resilience, patience, and respect for nature. It's a journey of self-discovery, where every trail offers a new lesson and every summit a new perspective. Appalachian Trail, a journey through time. The Appalachian Trail, often referred to as the AT, is one of the most iconic long-distance hiking trails in the world. A legendary 2,190-mile odyssey that stretches from the southern terminus at Springer Mountain in Georgia to the northern terminus at Mount Katahdin in Maine. It winds through 14 states, each offering its own unique landscapes and challenges. The trail meanders through dense forests, across rolling hills, and over rugged mountains. From the lush greenery of Springer Mountain in Georgia to the rocky peaks of Mount Katahdin in Maine, hikers traverse a variety of terrains that test their limits. Steep climbs and challenging descents test their endurance and determination. Every step is a testament to their resilience. Along the way, rustic shelters offer refuge, providing a place to rest and recharge before continuing the journey. The trail is teeming with wildlife. Black bears and white-tailed deer roam the forests, adding an element of wild beauty to the experience. In the meadows, wildflowers paint the landscape with vibrant colors, creating picturesque scenes that are a feast for the eyes. Each bend in the trail reveals breathtaking vistas, offering panoramic views that inspire awe and wonder. The Appalachian Trail is more than just a hike, it's a journey through time, a path that connects us to the natural world and to the history of those who have walked it before us. It's a testament to human perseverance and the enduring power of nature, reminding us of the beauty and challenges that lie in the great outdoors. Pacific Crest Trail, where the ocean meets the mountains. The Pacific Crest Trail is one of the most iconic long-distance hiking trails in the world, a 2,650-mile trek that challenges even the most seasoned hikers. It stretches from the sun-drenched border of Mexico all the way to the lush green landscapes of Canada. Along the way, hikers traverse the majestic Sierra Nevada and the rugged Cascade Mountain ranges, each offering its own unique challenges and breathtaking views. The journey is a study in contrasts. Deserts give way to alpine forests, and volcanic peaks loom large on the horizon, creating a dramatic and ever-changing landscape. The trail offers stunning views of the Pacific Ocean, where the vast blue waters meet the rugged coastline. Along the way, hikers encounter diverse wildlife, adding to the sense of adventure. Black bears, mountain lions, and bighorn sheep call this trail home, making every step a potential encounter with nature's wonders. In the spring and summer, wildflowers carpet the meadows in a riot of color, transforming the trail into a vibrant tapestry of natural beauty. The Pacific Crest Trail is not for the faint of heart. It presents numerous challenges from steep inclines to unpredictable weather conditions. It demands physical and mental fortitude, pushing hikers to their limits and beyond. The sense of accomplishment that comes with each completed section is unparalleled. But the rewards are immeasurable. Reaching a scenic viewpoint or celebrating at a mountain peak fills the heart with a profound sense of achievement and connection to the natural world. The John Muir Trail, a 211-mile trek through the heart of the Sierra Nevada, named after the renowned naturalist John Muir. It's a symphony of granite peaks and pristine lakes. Hikers share the trail with marmots and pikas. Towering waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs. The air is crisp and clean. The trail is challenging. Elevation gains test even seasoned hikers. But the scenery is breathtaking. Experience solitude amidst nature's grandeur. The John Muir Trail is a true wilderness adventure. The Hayduke Trail, an 800-mile odyssey through the American Southwest. It's a route, not a maintained trail. Navigation skills are essential. The trail winds through 6 national parks: Arches, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef, Bryce Canyon, Grand Canyon, and Zion. Hikers face extreme temperatures and rugged terrain. Water sources are scarce. This trail is for experienced adventurers only. The Hayduke Trail offers solitude and breathtaking scenery. It's a chance to experience the raw beauty of the desert. The Superior Hiking Trail, a 310-mile path along Minnesota's North Shore. It hugs the ridgeline overlooking Lake Superior. The trail winds through forests and past waterfalls. Agates glisten along the shoreline. Wildlife is abundant. Hikers encounter black bears, moose, and bald eagles. Wildflowers add splashes of color to the landscape. The Superior Hiking Trail offers a range of hiking options, from short-day hikes to multi-day adventures. It's accessible to a variety of skill levels. America's hiking trails beckon. From the rugged peaks of the Appalachian Mountains to the sun-drenched deserts of the Southwest. Adventure awaits. Challenge yourself physically and mentally. Connect with nature. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Lace up your boots, grab your backpack, answer the call of the wild. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.